If you're looking to learn how to really become successful and make money trading stocks, trading options, trading futures for a prop firm, crypto, then what is it actually going to really take to actually be successful, to actually be profitable? And I don't just mean winning a trade here, a trade there, having a big win and then followed by a big loss. I'm talking about being consistent. I'm talking about putting money in your pocket, putting money on the dinner table, putting money towards your mortgage, towards your rent, towards your living expenses. How do you actually do that when it comes to day trading? Right? Because what is the rule out there? 95% of day traders fail, which I firmly believe do. They run themselves dry and out of the markets in 12 to 24 months. Think about everyone that was here trading during 2020, during COVID, during the pandemic. Those traders are gone. So many of those traders have left the building. Those survivors that are still here in 2023 going into 2024 are people who learned how to trade, people who were here pre-pandemic, or people that are barely hanging on by a thread. Which one are you? Now, I'm going to give you the very simple secret sauce on how you can become successful. Not the strategy, not the indicator, not the asset class to trade, not the hot stock of what's gapping up, gapping down. The real nitty gritty on what you need to actually learn and do to be successful. And when I give you this piece of information, I do not want it going in one ear and out the other. I want you to really think about it. I want you to decipher the message that I'm telling you. Many of you are looking for a handout, okay? We're going to start with that. Many of you are approaching this business looking for a handout. What do I mean by looking for a handout? You're looking for a winning strategy. You're looking to learn how to set up a trailing stop loss. You're looking for the best indicator. You're looking to join the best community or Discord, or follow the best trading YouTuber, or follow the best FinTwit, aka X trading guru. You're looking for the best book at Barnes and Noble or on Amazon to learn how to master the art of day trading. You're looking to learn how to read candlesticks. You're looking to learn how to read price action or study ICT or study some concept or study, how can you win at prop firms trader, how to be a successful prop firm trader and take $100,000 payout. All of this is wasted energy. None of this stuff actually really matters. What you need to do is align yourself with people who do this business. Okay? Think about any type of business, okay? Any type of business, whether you're in insurance business, in the car sales business, you're in construction business, you're in home repair business, you're in the software business, you're in a service-based business. Any business needs connections. You need networking. You need to ask questions. Remember what I said just 2 minutes ago. I really want you guys to decipher through my messages, okay? Because the simple and honest truth is that what you really need to do is ask questions. I've been doing this teaching thing on YouTube for close to 4 years. I've probably worked with over 200 or 300 traders. Do you know that I've worked with traders who have come into my community, who have wanted to learn how to trade, I'm assuming because they're taking the time to come in, and have never reached out to say hello. They have never asked one single question. Ever. Dead silence. So I sit and I think, why would somebody put themselves in a situation to be around other traders who are doing this each and every single day and never say anything. Never ask one question. Never try to understand what I'm doing, what the rest of the traders who are successful are doing, why they are not networking with other traders. Many of you guys, I know for a fact, are coming from other 9-to-5 jobs or other industries where you don't have to work with anyone, where you just go and you just do a fixed task each and every single day. You have no knowledge about business. You have no knowledge about networking. You have no knowledge about aligning yourself to be successful at all. Like, you have no skills. There's no skills there, because in order to be successful, you have to put yourself in the room with other people who are successful. You have to ask questions. I myself did not teach myself how to trade. Did I put in the time? Did I take the trades? Did I learn? Did I do the homework? Did I study? Of course. But I had help. Multiple coaches, multiple mentors, people who are doing this a lot longer than me. I didn't go to my friend who was learning how to trade as well and ask him, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? Why would I ask someone who has just the amount of same experience as I do and is not successful what the hell they think is going on in the markets? What the hell that they think I should be doing with my money? Does that make any sense? So I had to go reach out to people with more experience than me, more money than me, more knowledge than me, and pick their brains, whatever it took, however much it costed. I didn't care. I was an absolute savage. I was probably over the top and a nuisance because I was like a child. Think about a child. They ask so many questions growing up when they're young. What is this? Why? Why does this something happen? What about this? Why this? Why that? Asking questions, curiosity. As you get older, the curiosity dies. If you want to be successful, the curiosity can never die. You always have to stay on top of your game. You always have to be asking questions. You always have to have the willingness to learn, and not just learn from some person and that's the one end all be all, but you have to learn from multiple people. If I was new starting off, I would personally go out there and find 3, 4, 5 different trading coaches. That's all honesty, because I need to see who fits me. I need to see who fits my personality. Everyone has a different personality. Everyone has a different working dynamic. Everyone has a different way of language, a different way to speak, a different personality. I need to find, who do I connect with? Who do I vibe with? Who talks in my language? Who talks in a manner that I can understand? Who talks in a manner where I'm not scared or shy to ask questions? Who talks in a manner that's going to, when I do something wrong, they're going to tell me I did something wrong? I don't want someone to sugarcoat it. I'm not looking for someone to say, the more time you put in and valuable lessons will be learned in the market. You have to put money into the market and lose for 2 or 3 years before you find success. Screw that. I want to know what to do right now. I want to know what I should not do right now. Many of you guys are just trying to figure this out on your own. But if you've never done it before, like I'm going to put it to you in this particular situation. If you've never made 6 figures trading stocks, or options or futures or whatever, if you've never made 6 figures, over $100,000, how the hell can you expect to do it all on your own? Can you do it on your own? Sure. Is there people who have learned to do it on their own? Of course. But I don't want to spend that much time trying to figure things out. I don't want to spend 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 years and try to figure this out on my own. I want to go to someone who's done it. I want to ask them a million questions. I want to hear what they have to say. The same way is if I'm going to learn how to be, anything, a carpenter. I don't want to go out there and learn how to whittle wood by myself. I want the best carpenter that I can get my hands on, and I want to pick his brain. I want to shadow him. If I want to learn how to draw and do tattoos, I'm not going to pick up a needle machine and start, painting on people. I'm going to find the best tattoo artist that is in my town, and I'm going to shadow them, and I'm going to learn, and I'm going to learn. The same thing, if I want to be a barber, I'm not going to just You know, can you just practice on your own? Of course. I know I have many friends and acquaintances who are barbers who never learned from anyone, that learned by trial and error. But guess what? They started when they were 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, and they cut hair for years and years and years and years, and they mastered the craft. No, I want to go shadow the best barber in town, and I want to learn their techniques in 6 months. I want to learn their techniques in 2 months. How fast do you want to learn to be the best? How fast do you want to get to the end result? How fast, how much are you willing to actually do what you want to do to get where you want to go? The more you stay in the backgrounds and just try to figure this whole trading thing out on your own, the faster you're going to fail, brother. And I'm just going to be completely honest with you, because I see it each and every single day. And one of the biggest things that I see each and every single day is people come across my YouTube channel. They come across my email inbox. They come across my Discord. They say nothing. I see you're out there. I see that you're struggling. I see you need help. Why don't you reach out and ask questions? Why are we taking this trade? Where is our stop loss? Why are we going long and not short? Where is potential profit taking zones? What do you think about this? What do you think about that? I'm up $100. Should I stop trading on the day? I'm up $1,000 on the week. Should I stop trading on the week? I'm down $250 and I only have a $2,000 account. What should I do? Ask questions. You will get the answers that you are looking for. When you start asking questions, you will get the answers you are looking for. So forget about everything else. Forget about searching high and low on who took a $100,000 payout and what are they doing. Forget about the guy that says you need to put VWAP on your screen. It's all bullshit. That's all a bunch of nonsense. It's bullshit. The VWAP, the 20 SMA, the 10 SMA, the 200 SMA, the 50 SMA, they're all there to help you, brother. They're all there to help you. It's how do you use it? RSI, put the RSI in a chart. Use the ATR, use the MACD, use pivot points. It's all there to help you. Fibonacci retracements, let's put them on our screen. Bollinger Bands, let's put them on our screen. Let's put it all on our screen. It's all there to help you, but what are you going to do with it? Many of you can put the best indicators and strategy, moving averages on your screen, and you still have nothing to do with it. You still have no idea how to use it because you don't ask questions. You've never learned properly. You watched one YouTube video with someone who made $5,000 on a trade because they put the VWAP on their chart, and they said, hey guys, every time we come down into VWAP, we bounce. It's time to buy stock. The next time you do it, you lose. It doesn't matter what's on your screen if you don't know how to use it. And even when you do know how to use it, if you don't know how to execute on how to use that particular strategy, you will still fail. So why not position yourself around traders who are like yourself, learning better than you, and top level traders? Go find the best trader that you can find and pick their brain. Go find the best trader that you can find and shadow them. If they want money, pay them. If they'll let you trade with them, trade with them. Because how are you ever going to learn? Or do you want to sit here for 2 or 3, 4, 5 years and continue to dwindle away money and stress and come home to your wife every single day after a hard 9 to 5, after you just lost money in the morning before work? You go to your 9 to 5, you're pissed off at work, you come home, the kids are running all around, the wife didn't have food ready, something's always wrong, and you still have to sit there and tell her why you're dwindling away your savings account trying to learn this business. I love golf, okay? I love golf. And it would probably take me 30 years to ever learn how to hit the golf ball the way that I want it to go. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go get fitted for clubs. I'm going to go to an instructor. I'm going to go to lessons. I want to see my swing speed on my clubs. I want to know how far do I hit my 8-iron consistently? How far does my driver go consistently? I don't care that I drove the ball 300 yards once if my next 9 hits off the drive are 260. That's a 40-yard difference. I want to know how to play my shot. But if I don't know how to play my shot, meaning I didn't ask someone for help to analyze my swing, to measure my distances, how am I ever going to know? Does any of this stuff make sense? This is not just about trading. This is about life in general. You want to lose weight and get more healthy. Do you know what you need? Do you know what macros you need to be following? Do you know how many hours of rest that your body needs is optimal? Do you know how many grams of protein that you need to be eating? Do you know how many carbs that you should be limited down to? Do you know this stuff, or are you going to go seek the information from someone who does? Why do people hire personal trainers? Because they don't know and they need to be held accountable. Most of us, the way that we are conditioned as humans, need to be held accountable. From the time that we're 5 years old, 4 years old, 6 years old, and going to kindergarten, it's someone holding our hand all the way through grade school, all the way through middle school, all the way through high school, all the way through college. Even in your 9 to 5, you still have someone dragging you by your ass, holding your hand, helping you, and telling you what to do. You are conditioned to be told what to do. As much as you think that you're independent, you are not. Because if you were, you would not be here watching this video. You would be off spending time with your family. You would be off on a vacation. You would be off asleep. You would be off doing anything else other than watching YouTube videos on how to trade, my friends. Invest in yourself. You will never regret it.